Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Google Maps EV charging layers with Android, full guide step by step clearly. To restore Google Maps EV charging layers on your Android device, begin by opening the Google Maps app. Ensure that you are signed into your Google account. Check that your app is updated to the latest version by visiting the Google Play Store. Once the app is open, tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner. From the menu, select Settings. Scroll down to find the Navigation Settings option and tap on it. Look for the Show Charging Stations toggle. Make sure this option is enabled to display charging stations on your map. Next, return to the main map view by tapping the back arrow. To locate EV charging stations, tap on the search bar at the top. Type EV charging stations and press Enter. The map will now display nearby charging stations along with their details. To view the charging levels, tap on any charging station icon on the map. A window will pop up with information on the charging port types, availability, and real-time status. If you want to filter the types of charging stations displayed, go back to the menu. Select the Filters option to customize your map view. Choose your preferred charging station network or speed. After adjusting your filters, return to the map. Your updated charging stations will now reflect your selected options. If you wish to save this view, you can create a map in the Your Places section. To do this, tap on Your Places from the menu. Select Maps, then tap Create Map. This will allow you to have quick access to your preferred EV charging layers in the future. Finally, explore the functionality of the Street View or Satellite View modes to get a better idea of station locations. That's how you restore and utilize the Google Maps EV charging layers on your Android device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.